Okay, so this is my infographic so far, and it is, or it can be part of my my technology infused lesson plan. So I would put a chart, create the chart, and I was planning on putting it down here. For this infographic, I want to use this information to show the relationship between kind of inventions that we talk about like in history class, and then how it relates to today. So how many inventions are sold and licensed today. So I'll put this information into this graph. So I just put the years in, and then I'll put the data in, so actually we'll need another row. So this is inventions sold, and this is inventions licensed. And then inventions licensed. If I make it bigger, you can probably see the units better. And then this is the link to where I got the information. And then in this information box, I can add how the chart relates to the information presented above.